If your side mirror is not working, do this first before replacing it. Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys what to check before changing your side mirror. The side mirror fuse can be found right at the fuse box located in the engine bay area. Fuse box can also be located right beneath the steering wheel area or steering column area. Or it can be found right at the kick panel next to the door panel area. If the side mirror fuse is not blown, next check the driver's side master window switch. First, start by checking the switch for the side mirror. Make sure it is working. If the side mirrors are not moving or working, next check all the window switch. Make sure the switches work for all the windows. If none of the switches work, then most likely you're going to have a bad master window switch. If you press the side mirror button and you hear noise but the mirrors are not moving, then most likely you're going to have a bad side mirror motor. At that point, there are two options. You could either change the side mirror, which is not really that expensive for the part, or you could just change the motor, which can save you quite a bit of money. If you check the side mirror fuse and the fuse is fine, and you check the window master switch and that's also fine, and you replace the side mirror but the side mirror is still not working, here is what to check next. Then most likely you're going to have a connection issue. For example, if your side mirror is broken and it is dangling, then most likely there's going to be an open in the circuit. Either there's going to be an open in the wire or the connection itself got loose. Next, remove the side mirror panel. The side mirror panel is clipped on, so it is easy to remove. Next, inspect the connection and wire. Make sure it is not loose or broken. I hope you found this repair lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.